how do I take photos when I'm just alone. Today I'm going to be shooting how I take photos or videos and by myself when I travel. And I know a lot of you will be really interested in this because most of the time I put like really cool photos online. Most people are like, who took the photo? Who else is in the room? Because everybody's assuming that, you know, when you take a cool photo in some hotel room or somewhere outside, then there's somebody behind the camera. But most of the time I'm using my tripod. So I'm just going to take you through the process of how I make this happen when there's nobody there.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know.
So right now I want to take a video and some photos of me washing my face, like in the bathroom. So I'm going to take you through the process of how I'm going to achieve this. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this phone just to show you. So I'm going to be showing you how I set the timer and how I keep it going and all of that. So if you're ready, let's get right into it. So I go to my camera and I want to start with photo, right? So I'm going to set the timer so you can see better. Timer 2. It could be 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It really does depend on you, how long you think you're going to take to get ready, right? If it's a photo that you really have to be far from the tripod, so it's going to take you a while to run to the position that you want to take the photo or the video, then you need maybe 10 seconds. But if it's a really short distance and it can take you, you know, just a few seconds to get ready, then you can use 5 seconds. But let's use let's use 10 seconds, right? I'm gonna fix this on the tripod now. Here's my tripod all set. I'm gonna fix this right here. So it's set. I'm gonna do set my resolution. I think I want to do this. Yeah, I want all screen. I just want the whole screen. My timer is 10 seconds, don't forget that. So I'm gonna go there and basically get ready to take the photo. It's counting. Do you see the counter? Do you see the counter? Right, so you get it. I'm gonna take another one where I rush to the bathroom. Listen, this is not an easy job, okay? So I'm gonna rush to the bathroom. Basically, let you see the whole process. Again, this is a job, man. Vlogging is not a joke. All right, so this is it. Do this. I'm gonna rush.
I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm
right, and that, my friend, is how you take your photo. So let's see what I just took. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful photo. Okay, let's do a video as well, right? Let's do a video. With the video though, I'm just going to let it play anyway. I'm just gonna let it start, right? Then I walk to it. When I want to post it, I just cut out the part where I was probably walking to the bathroom. I just probably just cut that out. So I'm taking the video. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put a shirt on and take a thumbnail here, just so I don't forget, in case I want to use a thumbnail where I'm in the bathroom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a photo shoot. Let's get it. All Right, so at this point I'm going to show you how I took these photos. It's very important to have a tripod, set your time and everything, but guys, it's also very important to have attitude when you're photographing yourself. Attitude is everything. Poses, all of those things are the game changers, because they bring some personality to your photo. They make the photo pop. So it's important to not just do regular photos, poses and all of that. You have to, I like to really go wild when I'm taking photos of myself. I'm not going to take the typical photo standard. I like to do really crazy stuff.
Around 3 a.m. A few minutes past 3 now. I think it's way past 5 a.m. now. Do you realize how many hours I've been doing this? But it will be.